Hey there and welcome to our channel. FTX Bankruptcy Battle heats up. Independent investigation looms with limited scope. We're excited to share our thoughts and insights with you, so let's get started. The collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX is about to be investigated, but the scope of the investigation will be limited. The U.S. Department of Justice had proposed a broad inquiry, but bankruptcy specialists now believe that the FTX will be subject to an independent investigation with a limited mandate. David Samoli, a partner at a Miami-based litigation firm, says that the agreed limited scope could focus on the period leading up to FTX's bankruptcy, as well as targeted events, transactions, and people involved. The decision on the appointment of an independent examiner with powers to be determined later will not be made immediately by Judge John Dorsey of the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for Delaware. Instead, he has asked lawyers for FTX, its unsecured creditors, the liquidators appointed by the Bahamian government, and the U.S. trustee overseeing the case to come to a consensual resolution, ahead of a hearing on Wednesday. Daniel Lowenthal, chair of a business reorganization and creditors' rights practice, says that it wouldn't be surprising to see parameters being set on the scope of the investigation, a deadline for the examiner to issue a report, and a budget for the work. Bankruptcy lawyers believe that it's in the best interest of all parties to reach an accord in order to avoid an all-or-nothing outcome on Wednesday. The limited scope of the investigation could be divided by time or issue, or by assets bought or by business subset. Joe Pack, a corporate reorganization and bankruptcy attorney, says that a conversation must occur about what the investigator should be able to uncover that can't be uncovered by the Unsecured Creditors Committee. FTX and the unsecured creditors oppose the motion to appoint an independent examiner, as it would result in duplicated investigations and additional costs to the bankruptcy estate. The U.S. trustee agrees with the cost concerns, but argues that conflicts between current and former FTX management would not make investigators appointed by the company and unsecured creditors independent, or disinterested parties. Pack says that while an independent examiner may be able to trace funds and find skeletons, they cannot create an asset that has disappeared. They are not magic. At least 17 states and the District of Columbia have supported the U.S. motion to appoint an examiner. Texas has filed a motion saying that state regulators would benefit from working with and gaining information from a neutral third-party investigator. John Ray, the current head of FTX, has opposed a third-party investigator. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, who is facing criminal charges in relation to the company's failure, has said he was strong-armed into acceding to the bankruptcy filings and Ray's appointment by a law firm that had previously done some work for FTX. James Murphy, a securities and cryptocurrency lawyer, says that any investigation led by that law firm would be considered inherently suspect and would not qualify as independent. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you thought. Until next time, take care.